Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. First, what are we going to do is we're going to clean our microphone port, and the microphone port is at the bottom right here. Now we want to make sure that we clean it. It's very important that we use a soft brush for it. Soft brush is one of the best ways to actually do it. And once you clean it, what you guys want to do is simply call up somebody and test the microphone. So you can call up your second number, for example. Now if you call up your second number, you can just call, and as you guys can see, I'm just gonna end this call. But if you want to call up the number, you can just test the mic that way. So now what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply press the power button, and we're gonna hold it until we see this. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and restart the phone. So let's hold it again. Now we're gonna tap on restart and tap again to restart the phone, and we do that to refresh the system. So I'll see you guys in a second once the system is refreshed. Now after the restart, we're simply going to enter the password, and after entering the password, what are we going to do is we're going to open up the settings, and here in the settings as a last resort, we want to update our software to fix any mic glitches. So we scroll all the way down to system, and now we want to tap on the second option from the bottom in the first section, the system update. We want to click on online update, and we want to go over and click continue. Now it is checking for update, and you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. If you're not, then I recommend you updating, because it's very important that you have the latest version of your software so that you don't have any old glitches. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.